It is Sunday. We put in some work last night on the Passat. We got the whole front end off. And today we're working on getting these frame rails straight so we can mount all the new stuff. This one is getting pretty close to where it needs to be. I got most of it pulled out. It's pretty much close to where it needs to be. Obviously it's still a little crinkled, but it doesn't have to be perfect as long as we can get everything mounted up. This driver's side was actually the worst out of the two. And you can see this one I didn't touch yet. It's still pushed in pretty good on the inside, but this was the one I was worried about, and this one's looking pretty good. So I think we're going to be in good shape. Basically I'm going to film the other side so you guys can see what we're doing here, but I basically took the old bumper shock. I bolted it up to here and just used a hammer to kind of manipulate it where I needed to be. Then we took an extension here, went from the inside and hit this with a hammer to try and pop out some of them creases there. We did at one point have a ratchet strap hooked up to the GTI and just put some tension on it while we were hammering, and that kind of helped pull it where it needs to be. Now, like I said, it's not 100%, but I'm not looking for it to be 100%. I just need it so the bumper and the whole front end can get mounted back on.
What you doing there?
Ratchet strap goofing.
It's pulling it. Oh, it's pulling the GTI. Yeah, probably gonna get run over sitting here. Jack doesn't want me getting run over.
Up here, not in direct fire.
What are you dragging?
Well, if that wasn't leaking, it's leaking now.
It's green.
I looked at that. I thought you had it. Oh, good enough. Must have.
It's got a giant hole in it. Oil?
Is it oil?
Why is it green?
I think this is an AC one.
I was wondering too, but there's oil.
We got it in and jacked up. We got the new core support, radiator, and AC condenser in. It's just kind of sitting here. We got one bolt holding it in, but it looks like it is going to line up now that we tweak the frame rails back into place. So we're going to go ahead and get everything hooked up, do an oil change on it, put some coolant in it, see if we got any coolant leaks. We're going to hold off on hooking up the AC right now. And then we got to figure out what some of these lines are. We had 2 cooler lines that went into the radiator, which it looks like they go back to the transmission. This is the first car I've seen with cooler lines going to a manual transmission. So I'll have to look into that, see where we can top that fluid off at. I imagine maybe this other one that broke when we tried to pull it in, or it was already probably broke, but it finished it off when it got sucked under the car. Maybe that's power steering fluid, because I have no power steering since I got the serpentine belt back on. It might just need power steering fluid. But yeah, it's low and the pump was making noise. So we're gonna go ahead and see what all we can get hooked up here, and we'll check back in when we do the oil change. Does it go to the other side of the pan? That shit was black. Just so you know, you're actually supposed to take that drain bolt out, but I never do that. I like making a mess.
My travel photos look amazing. And I can share them with 5G during our hike up there. Coming? Oh, catch you online.
Switch to T-Mobile and get new iPhone 13 on us on every plan with eligible trade-in. Get 24 monthly gift credits for qualifying new line plus tax for qualified customers. Contact us before canceling service. Continue remains your credit. So credits back to balance and required funding. So manage to take T-Mobile's and
What's going on here? That filter wasn't too bad. I mean, it was definitely time to change it, but I've seen worse. You want this, Brandy?
No.
10 liters of oil they saved.
Ready?
Yeah.
Fire no! Oh, you got oh,
Dead.
you want that coolant lid off.
What? Clutching.
Clutch is in.
If it's in neutral.
I think that was the AC clutch. Got her.
Turn the heat on full blast.
It pulls, and you aren't even going to pull. What's that?
It's like the brakes are
Oh, what was that?
I don't know.
Oh God.
The fender liner, I think.
Wait.
I'm pretty pretty sure that fender liner's just ripped out.
Pull over. Eek. Okay. Do you want me to look?
We lost it. Like, it's not there anymore.
It sounded like the brake though. We'll see what's laying back there. There it is.
Yeah.
You want me to get it?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's probably done, but we won't let her.
We don't litter here. I got it. I don't know where I'm putting it though. On my lap, I guess. Hold that. Okay. Fender liner secured. This windshield is crusty. You should take it over there and see if he's there. Just so nothing else is dragging. I can't see. I can't see if his car's here. Oh,
Jesus Christ.
another one. Yeah, something else is dragging. You can do it.
With no power steering.
You see how it feels like with my car, kind of?
No, this is totally different.
Zach wants to rip it, but he can't rip it yet. What is dragging?
That fender's rubbing.
Okay. High beams. I like it.
That window fogging up has me worried.
What? Which one?
This one,
Oh, why?
heater core.
Oh no. We need my mother. Where are you going? We kind of ripped this off.
Nice. Where'd that happen? Down here?
While driving. It fell. What was that? Do that again?